Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital gold in PhonePe. First, open your PhonePe application and locate the wealth or gold icon, usually found on the bottom navigation bar. Tapping this will take you to the digital gold section. Before proceeding, ensure you know your customer, or KIC, verification is complete, as this is a crucial step for all financial transactions on the platform. This ensures a smooth and secure selling experience for your gold. Once you are in the digital gold section, you will see various options like buying or selling. Tap on the Sell Gold button to begin the process. Here, you will also see your current digital gold balance displayed in grams, giving you a clear overview of your holdings. Take a moment to review this information before moving forward with your sale. This step is essential for accurate transaction processing. Now, you need to specify how much gold you want to sell. You can enter the amount either in grams, for example, 0.5 grams, or in Indian rupees. The platform will automatically calculate the equivalent value based on the live market price, which updates every few minutes. Double-check the displayed selling price per 10 milligrams and the total amount you are expected to receive. Accuracy here prevents any discrepancies. After reviewing all the details, proceed to confirm your sale. You will be prompted to enter your Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, PIN to authorize the transaction. Once confirmed, the sale amount will typically be credited to your linked bank account within a few minutes, often almost instantly. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen and an SMS notification indicating a successful sale. It's that simple to liquidate your digital gold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.